SharkNinja provides a plethora of consumer products to a diverse set of customers. So we have Shark and Ninja as our brands. Shark is traditionally cleaning products, meaning vacuums and things like that. And Ninja is more kitchen products, small appliances made for the kitchen. You may know SharkNinja through some of the infomercials that have been done by them, but the brand and the business was built based on that as a medium to deliver consumer products to a diverse audience. So I was brought into SharkNinja about 2 years ago with the intent of looking at connected products, right? So initially we didn't have a definite need to connect products. It was more kicking the tires, if you will, and looking at opportunities. Very short time after I joined, it became the norm for robotic vacuums to be connected to the internet. And so that was the launch of the first connected product at SharkNinja because we were getting into the robotics business. And when we did that, we needed to have connectivity. It was necessary to be a player in that space. There were many factors, but the main reason for selecting Ayla is it was an end-to-end platform that included something in the mobile device, something in the product itself, and a cloud solution aggregated under one platform. And that also provided secure connections from device to mobile app. This is a self-service platform. The first product was done in 2017, ultimately selected Eila within 2 months. I had it up and running, and I delivered the first connected product 5 months later. So from concept to delivery of the first connected robot at SharkNinja was 5 months. To date, we have over 300,000 connected products in the market, and this is merely 2 years later. We have 3 different models that are in the market right now. We're adding models year over year, and the number of connected products are continuing to grow with pretty good steam. So one of the other reasons I picked Ayla Networks as an IoT vendor was the worldwide footprint. Going forward, we expect to launch in Europe and China and Japan and many other countries. And so I expect it to at least grow horizontally, but I also expect it to be a deeper relationship in terms of how we use the data and how we understand the data that we get from the connected products and using that data to drive the business. If I had to make the decision again, I'd make the same decision.